Habari zenu, karibuni katika session nyingine. Hapa ni Elimu Kiganjani na tutasolve maswali form 4 Necta 2023, mtihani wa taifa mwaka jana, na jump to question number 10, and here is question: if x equals to -3 and x equals to 1/3 are solutions of the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b, and c are integers. Where a, b, and c are integers, determine the values of a, b, and c. So I think the important information here, a, b, and c are integers. So the fact that xc minus 3 is a solution, it means xc plus 3 is one of the factor, and also xc minus 1/3 is another factor. And when I multiply this, I'm expecting that I'm going to get this expression here. But you have to understand that because we were told that a, b, and c are integers, so I'll be multiplying by 3 throughout, so that I have xc plus 3, then you have 3xc minus 1/3. This is to be equation which is equal to 0. Now, when you solve this equation, you'll be getting solution x equals to -3, x equals to -3, and x equals to positive 1/3. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to multiply these two equations, and when you multiply, eventually we are going to get expression which is exactly the same as this expression here. So now we're going to have product x plus 3 multiplied by 3xc minus 1. This is equal to xc multiplied by 3xc minus 1 plus 3xc minus 1. So that you have 3x squared minus xc plus 9xc minus 3. So 3x squared minus xc plus 9xc minus 3. Combining like terms, this is going to be equal to 3x squared plus 8xc minus 3. And now I'm going to compare this. This is equivalent to ax squared plus bx plus c. So we are going to compare these two expressions. Now comparing the two expressions, dear students, we are going to see, and we see that a is 3, b is 8, and c is -3. By comparing, we have seen that a is 3, b is 8, and c is -3. And actually, these values, they obey the criteria that a, b, and c are integers. Now, jumping to question number 10b. Solve the inequality 10 minus xc less or equal to 3xc plus 10, that you are given that xc is an integer. Hence, state the first 4 values of xc that satisfy the given inequality. Mind you, integer, we are talking of positive and negative counting numbers. So knowing these details is really important for you to be able to attempt the question correctly. Now that we are going to know the exact detail minty here, so that you will manage to do the question correctly. Now, with this question, so we are solving now this inequality, and here is the solution. So you have 10 minus x is less or equal to, I'm going to open the bracket, equals to 3xc plus 30. Collecting like terms, so I'll take in minus xc minus 3xc is less or equal to 30 minus 10. You have -4xc is less or equal to 20. Dividing by negative, both sides will change the inequality sign. And so I'll be having now xc is now greater or equal to 20 divided by -4. So eventually I'll be having xc greater or equal to -5. And because xc, we are talking of only integers, so the first 4 values will be x equals to -5, or -4, -3, -2. You can continue like that, but we just actually state the first 4 values of xc, and here are the values. Unfortunately, majority of students will not be able to attempt this question because of lacking this information here, like what are integers. Understand that integers are positive and negative counting numbers. So that is solution for the 2 questions from last year's exam. If it is your first time to be here in this channel, of course, consider subscribing to the channel so that you're going to be updated on the coming content. All the best in your mathematics learning channel. Peace.